Well, here we are on framing day number 1. Pretty much all the exterior walls are up, except for 3 of them. This long wall here, the front garage wall, and the wall down there. But here's the entire garage area framed up. The back of this wall is the long one. That's about 108 feet. So yeah, the framing crew started about, got here about 8, probably didn't get framed until about 9 o'clock, went over the plans for about an hour, just discussing different things here and there, coming up with a plan of attack. And, you know, once they got at it, these guys don't mess around. So yeah, very impressed and very happy with the results of today. Like I said, I kind of expected the first day to mostly just be planning some things out, measuring some things, laying some walls on the ground, starting to make some cuts. But here we're standing with most of our entire exterior walls up. So again, very happy about that. The next thing, I think tomorrow, what I'm actually going to be doing is trenching up from the road all the way along here, about 400 feet from the front of the road to the house, putting in the water line and the electrical line. So we have the electrical line stretched out all the way up to the road there, ready to go. We unraveled that. Got the water line sitting here. So that's the plan for tomorrow, and obviously the framers will be back here doing their thing. So I would imagine they'll probably have obviously the rest of these exterior walls up and start laying out some interior walls. After that, they're going to be getting the trusses, I think, next week, so there might be a little pause in work until the trusses show up. They'll bang those up, sheet the entire house, sheet the roof deck, also sheet the attic floor above us here. And once that's done, then I'll get the roof going. I have a friend of mine that's going to be doing that, and I'm going to be doing the siding myself. So once this thing's framed up, I'll be extremely busy again. I'm still busy now, just doing odds and ends around the property. There's always something to do around here. But that's kind of where we're at now. So I'll probably make another video once everything's mostly framed up, interior walls, do a walkthrough again, so you can sort of see the layout and what we're working with here. And if you haven't yet, subscribe. Tons of videos of all the site work, all the foundation work, all the plumbing, inside plumbing that we've done to get to this point. So if you haven't seen that yet, stay tuned, and we'll see you guys on the next one.